Hi. Okay, so we are going to walk you through exactly how to take advantage of your free community membership. Thanks to your employer, you have access to this monthly content for free with simply just clicking on this link. So from your main website URL with our partnership, you're going to click on this sign up now button. From here, you're going to use your personal email or your work email to log in and create your own personal login to our community. So you're going to enter that in here. You're going to sign up for free. There will be a prompt that is asking several questions. These are only going to be used to be able to send you a birthday gift each month, every year for your birthday, and then mail any appropriate gifts as well. And then, of course, we have a couple of prompt questions down here. Most importantly, you're going to select your employer and then click submit and then be able to log in from there. Here is the library. You have access to what we call the Self-Care Central and the IOME community. Your Self-Care Central is a DIY, self-paced, self-guided self-care resource tool. Maybe you have questions about what to expect in therapy. You may want to take advantage of all those discounted services and partners. So you just click into these links, and then it will take you to a list of different acupuncture, chiropractors, whoever it is, fitness related, that you'd like to schedule perhaps a massage with Maddie. So then you can click on that link and be able to schedule and take advantage of that extra discount that you have access to. Okay. Moving forward, you can go into my library to get back into the space. Here is a library with several different resources from books, podcasts, videos, presentations, handouts, etc. We have them listed by category, self-care, relationships, mindfulness, self-esteem, etc. So you would just be able to click that and be able to, it actually links you to Amazon if you'd like to purchase that book or however you like to read or listen to your books. Okay, then I want to show you the IOME community. Here, this is an evergreen. It's always changing. We're always developing resources inside this program here. So you're going to click into the month of the community content, and you will see that we always feature a mental health topic, a self-care topic, and then we feature a local nonprofit to also share how you can give back to the community. You click into the category you'd like to do. The coolest part is you can mark this as complete after you get done watching the video. You can click here to watch the video, or you are able to read the handouts, except whatever is relevant that month. We feature a local, one of our preferred partners, a local expert, and they share different services and self-care tips that you're able to access to, and then additional promotions also that you can click to be able to purchase also. And then lastly, like I mentioned, we always feature a local nonprofit each month and give you exactly simple instructions on how you can give back to the community. And that is your self-care membership. So there's several different things you are able to comment in here and have relationships and build that community inside this online portal. And then, of course, there's more information on that's specific to your employee, your employer, on how to access additional mental health resources. I hope that's helpful. As always, reach out if you have any questions at all. Thank you.